What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Chris from NIA Body Kits, and today Danielle will be installing the new NIA front splitter on this Lexus GSF. Stay tuned. So first, I want to tell you a little bit about the new NIA splitter. All our kits are made right here in the United States in our Miami factory. We make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS holds its own weight and won't warp over time. We offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine. It might have some scratches, but they're ready for wraps or for the DIYers that know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and sprayed with a 2K primer and it's ready for paint. We offer them painted, which you can get color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like gloss black, satin black, matte black, or now an F gray, which is similar to the color of your front grille. Lastly, you can get it hydro dipped, which is the method we use to apply a carbon fiber printed design to our kits and spray with a heavy layer of clear coat. All our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy and paste the same design onto all our vehicles. We design all our kits to use the factory bolts. We pre-drill the holes and include all the hardware for an easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, making them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you will receive all your sports screws. For this installation, you will need a 10mm socket, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for easier installation. When doing this installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack it up, make sure to use jack stands for safety. In this case, we'll be using the angle driver and we're going to creep up underneath the car. First, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car, making sure to get rid of any rocks or debris stuck underneath. After the car's been wiped down, this is when you get the 10mm socket and you're going to locate all the factory bolts that align with the ears on the splitter. You will need a friend or family member to help align the kit and install the bolts. Now that the factory bolts are out, you will reuse them to hold up the splitter to the bumper, presenting them through the ears. Now that all the factory bolts are holding up the splitter, this is when you get the support screws that we provided to you, and you present them through the pre-drilled holes towards the front. And you're going to self-tap into your bumper. If you're going to use a drill, make sure you only drill them up halfway, that way you don't over-tighten, causing the bumper to strip. Once all the screws are in halfway, get the stubby Phillips screwdriver to hand tighten and be careful not to over-tighten and strip the bumper. Now that all the screws are tight, you grab the 10mm socket to tighten the factory bolts in the back. Once the screws are tight, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many more products that we have for the Lexus GSF. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks again.